Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here in the village life in Kenya. Let me show you how we live here. So this is village life. This is village life. Clean our clothes and dry them. That's the firewood. Have the firewood. And take you around. Yeah, village life, guys. Beautiful. So this is the village life, man. It's really nice and beautiful. Let me show you. That's the flowers, the farm. That's the water tank. So that's why we get the water, rainwater, put it in the tank. Beautiful there, vegetables. Look at that, guys. This is the gate. You open the gate. That's how you open the gate. Open the gate. Look at that, guys. All these greens here. Spinach, cabbage, kales. Those are mango trees. Is it mango or avocado? You lock the gate like that. That's how you lock the gate. This way you have the chicken. Hey, hold on, wait. That's the goats and sheep, guys. Yeah. You have to lock the gates so the goats doesn't come out. Look at all the goats. Crow. Go away, crow. There's more goats down here. This the whole of this area is about 12 acres of land. Here's the gate. This is how you open the gate, guys. Take the wire, put it outside, open the gate, jump in, and you have to lock it. You don't want the goats coming out. Shit. That's the rabbits, guys, there. You see that? There's two of them there. There's more there.
The grayish. They are big indeed.
Where are they?
Yes,
I can't find them.
Like this one is the biggest.
You
have seen them.
There's two more there, but they're hiding back there.
They're hiding.
More village life. See the goats down there? This is a guava tree. This one right here. That's the red sweet fruits. Okay, I don't know the English name of it. That's the banana tree. You got the sugar cane. There's a small avocado tree. More avocado. That's corn. That's the corn. We call it maize. Or you can call it corn too. You got spinach right here. You got broccoli. More spinach. That's tomatoes, guys. Tomatoes. That's managu. I don't know the English name of managu. There's more broccoli. That's the green pepper. That's the lettuce and the green pepper. There you go, green pepper. And this is onions. More corn down there. This is village life. So the farm goes to about from that big tree down there all the way to all those big trees down there where you can see the mountains all the way down. All the way back there. It's called the sweet village life. Simple life. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed. That's for the goats. That's for the chicken down there. That's for the chicken. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the village life. And thanks for watching.